Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to AppInsight AI. If you're new here, I'm Amelia.
And I'm James. On this channel, we dive into the world of AI tools, helping you level up your content game with innovative, time-saving tech.
Today's video is an exciting one. If you're a YouTuber, you know that thumbnails are the first thing viewers notice. A great thumbnail can be the difference between a video that gets skipped and one that goes viral.
Exactly! And here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional designer or spend hours editing to create thumbnails that grab attention. With the help of AI, you can create professional quality thumbnails in just minutes.
In this video, we'll show you how to use 3 powerful AI tools, ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, and iTubo AI, to design stunning thumbnails. Oh, and if you decide to explore the premium features of these tools, we've got you covered. Check out our affiliate links in the description to get started quickly and support the channel at the same time. Let's jump right in.
Step number 1, recreating a Mr. Beast-style thumbnail. Let's kick things off with a fun exercise, recreating a Mr. Beast-style thumbnail. His thumbnails are known for being bold, vibrant, and impossible to ignore, perfect for catching viewers' attention.
First, we'll grab a reference thumbnail from Mr. Beast's channel. Here's how. Visit Mr. Beast's YouTube channel and pick a thumbnail you like. Copy the link to the video with the thumbnail. Open Google and search for online YouTube thumbnail downloader. Click on the first link, paste the copied URL, and hit Get Thumbnail Image.
You'll now have a high-quality image of the thumbnail. For this example, we're using one with Mr. Beast standing in front of a massive waterfall. This will be our inspiration.
Next, open ChatGPT. This tool isn't just for answering questions, it can help us create a precise prompt for generating images. Upload the downloaded thumbnail. Type in the chat box this command, "Please write a 100% match image prompt for the attached image."
ChatGPT analyzes the image and creates a detailed description or prompt that captures its key elements. This type of prompt is provided by ChatGPT. Copy this prompt, we'll use it in our next tool, Leonardo AI.
Now it's time to bring our prompt to life with Leonardo AI. Follow these steps. Log into Leonardo AI using your email. You'll receive 150 free credits daily. Creating one image typically costs around 24 credits, so you can generate multiple thumbnails for free. If you need more credits, consider upgrading with our affiliate link in the description below. Click Image Creation. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 ideal for YouTube thumbnails. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT and hit Generate.
Check it out. Leonardo AI has generated 4 high-quality thumbnails, each with a person in the foreground and a stunning waterfall in the background. The results are incredible and super close to Mr. Beast's original style.
But wait, why stop there? Let's customize the thumbnail to make it uniquely yours. For this, we'll use iTubo AI to swap the face in the image with your own. Steps to follow. Log into iTubo AI and select the AI Face Swap tool. Upload a clear photo of your face. Upload the thumbnail you just created in Leonardo AI. Click Generate.
And just like that, you've got a thumbnail featuring your face instead of Mr. Beast's. It's personal, professional, and ready to make your video stand out.
Step 2, creating thumbnails from a video title. If you don't have a specific reference image, no problem. AI tools can generate thumbnails based on your video's title. For instance, let's create a thumbnail for a video titled Best Free AI Video Generator.
Open ChatGPT and type, "Please suggest an attractive YouTube thumbnail prompt for the title Best Free AI Video Generator."
ChatGPT suggests something like, "If you feel that something extra should be added, you are welcome to do so." Now, I want to add a line in the below, so I will open Notepad and paste ChatGPT prompt, and at bottom I will add, on the right-hand side, a girl is shown looking ahead with a laptop, wearing a surprised expression.
Using this prompt, we'll create a thumbnail in Leonardo AI. Set the ratio to 16:9, paste the prompt and click Generate.
The results are fantastic. You now have 4 options, each creatively showcasing the theme of your video.
For even more variety, we can try the same prompt in iTubo AI and FreePick. iTubo AI steps. Log in and use the AI image generator. Paste the ChatGPT generated prompt. Choose to generate 3 images and hit Generate. You'll get beautiful thumbnails that are perfect for your content.
Now we will see FreePick steps. Log into FreePick and navigate to the AI image generator. Set the ratio to 16:9 and paste the same prompt. Click Generate to see 2 unique designs. It looked pretty good, right?
And don't forget, our affiliate links for these tools are in the description below. By using them, you can unlock even more features while supporting our channel. Thank you in advance.
Pro tips for outstanding thumbnails. Before wrapping up, let's share a few tips to make your thumbnails truly pop. Focus on faces. Thumbnails with expressive faces tend to perform better. Use vibrant colors to grab attention. Stick to a style that matches your channel's branding. Big, bold text with keep it simple but impactful.
Experiment with different styles and designs. You'll be surprised at how much a great thumbnail can boost your views. We hope this tutorial inspires you to experiment with AI tools and create amazing thumbnails for your channel.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tutorials.
Drop a comment below and let us know which tool is your favorite. And remember, if you want to try the premium features, check out our affiliate links in the description below. Thanks for watching AppInsight AI, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating.